There comes a time when the will to study disappears, when even turning a page feels like lifting a mountain. It's not laziness, it's resistance, the quiet battle between the mind that knows what it must do and the body that refuses to move. Inside that moment lies the truth about motivation. It doesn't begin with feeling ready, it begins with movement. Neuroscientists have found that motivation begins with dopamine, a molecule not of pleasure, but of pursuit. It's released when you take action, not when you think about it. That means the smallest start, reading one line, taking one note, triggers a chain reaction. Action activates dopamine. Dopamine strengthens focus. Focus fuels more action. To overcome inertia, reduce the scale of the task. Psychologists call this the activation energy principle. Lowering the effort needed to begin makes you more likely to start. Set a 2-minute goal. Just begin. Often, the act of beginning breaks the resistance that holds you still. Create a ritual, a specific time, place, and cue that signals it's time to study. According to habit research, consistency in environment builds automatic behavior, reducing the need for willpower. Your brain's ability to focus runs in cycles. Studies from neuroscience show that attention peaks for about 25 to 30 minutes, then drops sharply. Use this rhythm, known as the Pomodoro technique, to work in focused bursts, followed by short breaks. Keep your phone away or on silent. Research from the University of Texas shows that even the presence of a phone reduces working memory and focus, a phenomenon called brain drain. Adjust lighting and posture. Both influence alertness. Bright, natural light increases serotonin and focus. Slouching reduces oxygen intake and mental clarity. Memory isn't built by repetition alone, it's built by spacing, testing, and emotional engagement. Research from cognitive psychology shows that spaced repetition, reviewing information after increasing intervals, strengthens long-term recall far better than cramming. The testing effect proves that recalling information, even unsuccessfully, improves memory more than rereading. Each recall attempt strengthens neural pathways. It's like reinforcing a bridge with every crossing. Engage multiple senses while learning. When you read, speak, and write what you study, you activate multiple brain regions, making the memory more durable. And never underestimate sleep. During deep sleep, the hippocampus replays and strengthens new memories. It's your brain's natural study session at night. Your surroundings train your brain. Environmental psychology suggests that consistent cues, the same desk, sound, and scent, help the mind associate that space with concentration. Soft instrumental music or white noise can increase sustained attention, especially when tasks are repetitive. Keep the air fresh. Oxygen levels directly affect cognition. Even a small plant nearby can improve focus and calm the nervous system. Your inner dialogue shapes your motivation. Studies in cognitive behavioral science reveal that self-talk can either sabotage or strengthen your focus. Replace "I have to study" with "I choose to study." This shift moves your brain from pressure to purpose, activating the regions responsible for autonomy and reward. Visualize your progress. Neuroscientists have found that imagining success activates the same brain circuits as achieving it, priming you for persistence. Use interleaved practice. Study multiple topics in one session instead of one long block. It improves adaptability and long-term understanding. Try elaborative rehearsal, connecting new information to something you already know. This activates associative networks in the brain, making memory retrieval faster. Alternate between focused mode, deep concentration, and diffuse mode, relaxed reflection. According to research from Stanford and UC Berkeley, the diffuse mode helps solve complex problems by allowing creative connections to form. Study is not punishment, it's preparation. It's not about memorizing facts, but unlocking understanding. Every page you turn, every hour you spend, it's not wasted time, it's investment in clarity, resilience, and purpose. Motivation fades, but meaning sustains. When you remember why you study, not for others, but for growth, discipline becomes devotion. You don't need to feel ready, you only need to begin. Each small act of study creates a spark, and those sparks, over time, light the path forward.